Hey, what's up guys? I'm back home finally. I'm done doing army shit for a while. Unfortunately, while I was gone, the ute had an accident. And my original plan was to rebuild her. But I think the damage is a lot worse than I thought it was. Sorry about the cicadas, the preload. My original plan was to chop the front end off at the strut towels and just rebuild the front. But that frame rail is really bad, way bad off. So that's not going to happen. I would pretty much have to chop the whole front of the car off to fix it. So plan 2 was to just buy another Subi, start all over. So I picked up another wagon. It's another 02. Don't ask about those. I think aliens came while I was gone. Plan is to pull the engine out of this one and throw the engine that was in the ute in this car. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to keep it a wagon or chop it up, make it another ute, the Turboute 0.2, but I'm not sure yet. We'll find out. Now that the engine's out, I gotta figure out how am I gonna get it to the garage. Let's get to it. I pushed the engine in the carport to get out of the sun, and the sun's following me. Probably wait a few hours for the sun to go overhead. Then I'll start ripping apart this engine in here. I plan on using the built bottom end from the ute engine and using the heads, exhaust manifold, timing covers, and a few odds and ends from this model, because a lot of that stuff got destroyed in the accident. I'll show you later. So I'll try my strap wrench, see if I can break it loose. If not, I'm going to have to get my crankshaft pulley holder. I have one, but I think I'll let somebody borrow it. So I got to get that back first. You can definitely tell this isn't the first time this engine's been taken apart before. So far the head looks pretty good. The inside of the engine definitely looks a lot better than the outside. So far, I don't see any signs of blown head gasket, anything like that. The rumor is this engine has a stone bearing, which I don't plan on using it, so as long as the heads are good. I do need to get these off. So off camera, I put a few bolts back in the flywheel into the crank, doing a crowbar, add a little PP blaster, knock the crankshaft pulley bolt right off. Even though I plan on using this engine, I still wanted to tear it apart, inspect it, and see what was wrong with it, because I'm not sure what's wrong with it. The guy didn't know. And for the most part, like, a lot of the stuff, like the gaskets and seals and water pump, looked fairly new. I don't think it was replaced too long ago. I can't feel any play in the bearings. There was a little bit of accent material in the oil pickup. No metal shavings. I didn't see any metal shavings in the oil. I haven't checked the wing lens yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to pull the pistons out or not. Might save that for another day. Well, now that I got everything I want off this engine, this old EJ20, I can throw it in storage and take the stand back in the garage and start working on the other engine. Start building it up, but I'm still waiting on a lot of parts and gaskets and seals and all that. Ooh, I didn't notice that. Big old chip. Now it should be a lot easier to get this stuff into the garage now that I've taken it apart. It's a lot cooler in here. This is the old block. There's trashed heads. You can see why I need new heads. Stay tuned for the next video where we start rebuilding this EJ25. I know I've already done a build video before on the channel, but if you'd rather see a step-by-step video, let me know in the comments. Also, we need to figure out a name for the new Silver WX wagon. What should we call it? So I'm trying more of a vlog style video. So I know it's going to take me a little while to get used to it, like talking to the camera. Kind of feels like I'm sitting here talking to myself. And my speech impairment doesn't really help either, so bear with me. Also let me know if you like this style better than some of my other videos. I almost forgot, if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Also like the video. And let me know what other cars you want to see me work on. You want to see me work on the Lotus, the Miata, the 86, truck, my wife's Lancer, whatever. Also watch some of my other videos. Catch you guys later.